everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with a very, very different video. I've done videos like this on Instagram. I haven't done one in a while just because I always forget to do them. But Jess came up with the greatest idea, and I will leave her video link down below, that for PLANMAS, we would pick a collection, a Christmas collection that she did, and she would tell me which one she was going to be filming. And I would also film a design vlog as she is also filming a draw with me vlog situation. So long story short, here we are. And I know this is pretty quick, but I also think for me, I'm this is a kind of more boring thing to be doing. I don't know how slow to make it, but I could do more of these in the future if you like them. But basically, I am going to show you, and I'm showing you currently, the process of me making the kit, or putting it all together. So basically, this kit is a spooky Christmas kit, and I loved how unique it was and the colors. I'm not actually using this kit this year. I am using it next year, but I am so looking forward to do so. So this was actually filmed kind of earlier in the morning, as Jess does release her art quite early, but I do have my Starbucks drink and I am working away. I do have a few different wood papers that I have saved, all from different artists that I use with the kits that they come out with, and I just color change them. So that was what that was being pulled in. But basically how I pick the colors then is I go through all of the papers and see what colors are prominent, and then if I kind of look at the art and I see another color and there's not a paper, I'll usually kind of just change a paper color. But that's how I pick the colors. And then sometimes you'll see I do change them up just so that they look cute in a row, if that makes sense. I did decide quickly on that I wanted to do a baking box, but I didn't want it to be on the homepage because I thought the colors weren't as pastel and cutesy, but they still worked really well with the set. So I just went ahead and put that on the there's me making a little nail. Put that on the other page, and I just think it turned out so cute. Here is me kind of extracting some of the wallpaper from the background of that image and then making a little bit of a light reflect on it so it looks a little less flat. So sometimes I do things like that with, the backgrounds or the tables. I'll kind of manipulate parts of the kit that already exist, or I'll pull the carpet from the full boxes and kind of make that a larger area and add some shadowing so it doesn't look so patterny, if that makes sense. But yeah, so normally the way that I do things is I do the full box page. I do all of the full boxes. So I'll do the full box on the washi page. I'll do it on the page that has the glitter headers and the fashion boxes, fan boxes, anything like that. And then I move on to the mini kit page where I'll put the 4 colors in and then find papers that I like to best match them. I like to try and make them, at least relatively match each other in some way. And then I will, if there's any label samplers, I'll do those as well at this time, just since I have the papers out. I'll also put a paper into the weekend banner and then also to the bottom washi so that I can see kind of all the papers and how they look with the colors and things like that. Also, I just always look the same, sitting facing forward with my hand on my face, just working away. But yeah, I like to do it in this order so I can kind of see, what I'm doing. Also, I use Photoshop for everything except for I pull the files into Silhouette at the end. I don't do any cut files or anything besides the deco. Everything else just stays the same kit by kit. This is me going in and changing all of the colors and the patterns, which is the probably fastest part of the kit. And then the longest part, and actually my least favorite part of doing kits, is the deco page, where I go in and resize and puzzle piece all of the deco together, which if it went this fast as this is being fast forwarded, it would be quite easy. But yeah, it's just always such a long part. But afterwards, I always think it looks pretty cute. And then I just went ahead and placed everything into Silhouette. And then this is just the clip from the new releases because I wanted a like clip of me talking about it, but I had already put it away. So I was like, let's just grab it from the new releases. But all of that work, and this is what we are finished with. But I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see me do another one of these videos, and anything like, what would you want me to talk about? Is there any parts like, do you want this slowed down a little bit more? The thing with like designing the full boxes though is I don't really know what I would talk about besides like my formula, I guess, and like how I organize the files, I guess I could go into, because that's also kind of a little bit of like a thinking process. But otherwise, like it's just something that I do hundreds of times a year, and it's just kind of a speedy process at this point because I know my like formula. But that is everything for this video. I hope y'all liked it. Again, let me know what you'd like to see in a future video like this so I can make it better for you. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!